Have you ever felt like you're pouring your hard-earned money into investments, but the needle barely moves? Like you're pushing a giant boulder uphill and progress is agonizingly slow? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at those numbers, wondering if it's even worth it. The early days of investing can feel like a relentless uphill battle, where every dollar saved feels small and the growth seems almost imperceptible. You might be diligently setting aside money each month, watching your balance tick up slowly, and questioning if this whole investing thing is truly going to pay off for you. But what if I told you there's a magic number, a financial turning point where everything changes? A moment when your money stops being a slow, steady stream and starts becoming a powerful, unstoppable river. That number, my friends, is $250,000 invested. This isn't just a random figure, it's a critical threshold where the dynamics of your wealth building fundamentally shift, and the true power of compounding begins to reveal itself in a way that can genuinely transform your financial future. Now, you might be thinking, $250,000? That's $250,000. That's a huge amount. And you're absolutely right, it is a significant sum. For many, reaching this figure seems like a distant dream, a goal so far off it's hard to even imagine. But here's the mind-blowing truth, and it's something that often surprises people. $250,000 isn't just a quarter of the way to $1 million in terms of money, it's actually halfway to $1 million in time. Let that sink in for a moment. Halfway to $1 million, not in the amount you've accumulated, but in the time it takes to get there. This concept is rooted in the incredible force of compound interest. In the beginning, when your investment balance is smaller, your own contributions do most of the heavy lifting. You are the primary engine, fueling your portfolio's growth with your consistent savings. This phase, often called the grind, requires immense discipline and patience. It's about building the foundation, brick by painstaking brick. You're saving $500 here, $1,000 there, and watching it grow slowly, perhaps adding a few $1,000s a year in returns. It can feel like you're moving at a snail's pace, and it's easy to get discouraged when you compare your progress to those who seem to have it all figured out. But as your balance grows, something magical starts to happen. The interest you earn begins to earn interest itself. This is the essence of compounding. And as your investment pot gets larger, the returns generated by your existing capital start to become more significant than your new contributions. This is what we call the snowball effect. Imagine a small snowball at the top of a hill. You have to push it to get it started, but as it rolls down the hill, it picks up more snow, growing larger and faster with each rotation, eventually becoming an unstoppable force. Your investment journey is exactly the same. Let's look at the numbers to truly understand this. If you're consistently investing and earning a reasonable 8% annual return, it might take you, say, 13 to 14 years to reach that first $250,000. This period is where your dedication and consistent saving habits are paramount. You're building the base, enduring market fluctuations, and staying committed to your long-term vision. It's a testament to your financial discipline. But here's the kicker, the part that truly changes everything. From $250,000, it will take roughly the same amount of time, another 13 to 14 years, to reach a full $1 million. Think about that. The second $250,000 takes significantly less effort from you because your money is now doing the heavy lifting. This isn't just about math, it's about a profound psychological shift. Before $250,000, you're the primary engine. You're constantly checking your balances, perhaps feeling a pang of anxiety with each market dip. You're actively contributing, and your contributions are the dominant factor in your growth. But after $250,000, your investments become a powerful co-pilot, then eventually the main pilot, propelling you towards your financial goals at an accelerating pace. The fear and doubt that might have lingered start to fade, replaced by a quiet confidence and an undeniable sense of momentum. You begin to trust the process because you've seen it work firsthand. The stress of needing to save every single penny lessens because your existing wealth is now generating substantial returns on its own. Consider the rule of 72, a simple mental math trick to estimate how long it takes for an investment to double. You divide 72 by your annual rate of return. So at 8% return, your money doubles approximately 9 years. If you have $250,000, in about 9 years, it could become $500,000. And in another 9 years, that $500,000 could become $1 million. This illustrates how quickly your money can grow once you have a substantial base. The doubling periods become incredibly impactful, and each doubling brings you closer to financial independence at an exponential rate. This milestone isn't just a number, it's a promise that your early sacrifices, your consistent habits, and your belief in the long game are paying off in a way you can now truly see and feel. It's the moment you realize financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's an inevitable destination if you stay the course. It's the point where you transition from actively building wealth to passively growing it, where your financial future gains a momentum that feels almost effortless. You've proven to yourself that you have the discipline and the patience, and now the market is rewarding you in spades. So if you're still in the early stages, pushing that boulder, remember this: every dollar you invest now is a seed, and at $250,000, those seeds blossom into a forest, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem of wealth. Don't get discouraged by the slow start. Understand that the initial phase is crucial for building the foundation. Keep going, keep learning, keep investing, educate yourself, stay consistent, and trust the process. Because when you hit that $250,000 mark, everything truly changes, and your future self, living a life of greater financial security and freedom, will undoubtedly thank you for it. This isn't just about money, it's about unlocking a new level of control, peace of mind, and opportunity in your life. It's about moving from financial anxiety to financial empowerment. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your financial future transform.